Isn't that hard to sit off?
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Del Pat family. The Del Pat family. The Del Pat family. The Del Pat family. The Del Pat family.
Why are you stressing me? Why is it so stressful today? Like today it's supposed to be my relaxation day. We are even supposed to be doing this today. This was supposed to be tomorrow. And Adrian dragged me out of my relaxation day, people. I'm complaining. I am complaining. I was comfortable. Nice, clean, and comfortable. I was watching a movie. And I don't watch movie in a long time. And I got swept up in this. Adrian was like, you're truly obsessed. I've been watching it all day. It's a series. I watch it all day. And then this man come drag me out.
So all this wall hanging replacement.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the one that's in the room, the guests damage it. So we get a replacement.
Yeah, from time to time we realize that we do have some guests that leave the place to be repaired. And this is one of those occasions. But we're replacing this this one, and I actually really liked it, you know.
Yeah, not bad.
I really liked the one that we had before, but this is Steven and Agent go buy this by himself with me on the phone. Hear him now? He might go for just go look. And I'm like, yeah, go for just go look. I'm like, I don't trust that. I'm gonna say you're gonna buy something. Anyways, I could not accommodate it because I watched my movie and there was nothing gonna separate me from my movie except my dear loving husband, which eventually did. But I like it. I told him that I like this one. Told him I like this one. I'm not a very good camera lady here, people. So
see the broke one here? So broke
this is
one.
the broken one.
Yeah, so that one is slightly bigger.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah. But I put it against it here. Yeah. So that's the broken one. Rock.
Yeah.
I particularly loved the orange. The orange really fitted the room. But yeah, we have another one. So let's go.
Yeah. So we have something we match the decor same way. So
yeah.
These are the best. Best one we could have find.
Yeah.
Alright,
so short notice.
I have to screw these in and such. So yeah. Alright, come with me and measure it. Come.
What of my rest today? Let's go. Alright,
so I have to measure because those are already up on the wall. Yes. So we just measure the distance in between.
Wall is going. Oh, I was wondering why we need to measure if you already have up them there now.
Alright.
And they pop up the bed now.
So 2 feet, 5 right or so. Okay.
So this is the bed. That is, I must say guys, the bed here, nice and comfortable. The bed here is a really comfortable mattress. Nice. Does it? Let's put it up. We have our blank one right here.
Just hope they line up.
No. I'm sure it will, my darling.
Why do you think it will?
Because you measured it.
Lordy. Heavy? Man. Look like the measurement work. Oh, it's heavy, bad man. Mighty God. Heavy.
Let me help you?
Woo.
Yeah, they hope you are jump up and burn enough things, babe.
Come. You get it?
Yeah. This time I thought,
Remember, lift it up then.
we have to go
Carry it out.
carry it out.
But I know. Alright, so we'll find that this new one is slightly longer.
Yes,
So-
come down more.
So we have to go bring up those stacks up higher so that it's out of the way of the bed. Alright, up there, so. Yeah. Alright, good.
High five, babe.
Alright.
Alright, so see there?
Yeah, that setup here much more secure anyway.
Yeah.
You know? Kyrie. They are clean up the boy, you know?
Yo.
See it.
And he's about to do something that he's never done before. What is that, babe?
We are washing ear yet.
Well, washing ear. Let's see how he's going to react to Adrian washing his ear. Because when I'm washing ear, like sometimes he's mainly okay, but he's really miserable when his hair is being washed.
Alright, let me see what one. Alright. Kyrie.
Wait, put this on his head first. See? Once the water starts going down in his face, are problems.
I saw you turn it, this. And to make it tight.
Yeah, put it at the back.
Yes, I. Don't me see him and Cassie in the hour at the time, you know. Hold on, Kyro. Don't me see him and Cassie in the hour at the time, you know. I say, hey, I want to partake in another one. That.
Pull it up on him forehead. Put it up on him forehead a little bit. Just a little bit, you know what the water will come through.
That's better? Me no want to get involved in them war.
You know, go wet up in here.
Say hi, guys. Say hi, wave to them, wave to them. Wave to them, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
May I make your father wash your head every day? Because when me washing ear, problems. So this is conditioner.
Conditioner. So this shall go in before or after?
After, when you wash out shampoo, you put that in.
Oh, okay. Alright. Kyrie? Alright, this is the hard part now. You know, say, you don't go down in them face too much because I'm dry side cast.
Yeah.
And that's it for doing now.
And all up him head. Once him head up, it now go down in him face at all.
No bad. Alright, Kyro. Alright. You have one good, my boy. Alright,
Come on, come on, time face.
you're ready now.
Use the grey something.
Wait, man, wait. Hold on. Yeah, you want that one brief. Alright.
Alright, Daddy, well done. Good job. Yeah, use that to dry
Kyrie.
your hair.
High five, Kyrie. High five. Oh, here. Oh, the washing up here. Huh?
In the water.
Was good?
The water.
Yeah, the water, right. Come on.
That's true, I start bathing him too. Cause every day I bathe him, I'm washing ear and he give me problem. Watch your skin in teeth now. Watch ya. Watch ya. Alright.
Enjoy. Enjoy. High five. Come at it, Kyrie. Look at me. Kyrie, look. Look at me, Kyrie.
We're playing musical chairs.
Yeah? Kyrie, listen to the instructions. Here we go. So Kyrie get him ear wash and him teeth brush. Show them your teeth. Smile. Yay! Alright. Good. Alright. With your booger nose. Let me see nose. Your nose was clean, boy. You clean your nose. See that? Jayden report at school excellent one more time. You know? A star, you know? See, touch him. Watch him. On the report always excellent, you see me? Yeah, so what you want for your prize?
An iPhone 14 Pro Max.
No, what is?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Jesus!
Not even got the iPhone 14 in the body want a Pro, man.
Not even me on an iPhone 14 Pro Max, much less. Eh? Come again, Jayden. Better than that. Some little bit more manageable. Come again.
Oh my god.
Alright, we surprise you. We surprise you.
Give me an iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's 2 years.
You see your teeth, you see your gap? Watch it. Come here. Watch it. Yeah, man, so Jayden a star of primary school, guys. Him do PEP this year as well. He started PEP, finished then I did at grade 4 because PEP is a 3-year thing these days. When me I go to school, at one time I do it. Common entrance or GSAT or whatever, one time. If you feel like that. PEP now, them do it in a 3 years. So he started PEP this year, and yeah, his internal grades are excellent as always. So we have to celebrate him, you know.
So guys, we're making rice and peas. That's why I'm gonna take out rice here. So 2 cups of rice. The rice and peas stayed in the fridge last week after we ate dinner last week Sunday. We just we always eat alternative stuff. So we eat potato, we eat everything else. We're not rice lovers. I like Adrian. No, that's not true. Adrian loves rice. Right?
Yeah? You talk for yourself. Oh, you don't like rice, Jay?
I will eat it, but I don't prefer it over other stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like everybody will eat rice. Everybody know rice, we eat rice.
Alright.
So we are making rice and peas with basmati rice. So we are up to Kyrie eat. So I Kyrie don't eat rice either, but him eat basmati rice and jasmine rice. So send help to we here in form of some little money. Our son has some big taste. Alright, so rice over there so. And this is a coconut that we got at the market the other day. Adrian broke it, ox it out as promised. So I cut it up, I put it in the blender, and then I'm gonna juice it to use in the rice and peas. By the way, the peas finished cooked already. Peas is cooked. Yeah, so the peas is cooked.
Okay.
Ready.
Alright.
You
Nice.
can give him one, Jayden.
What you want?
You want candy.
Yellow candy? Anyway, continue.
So I'm basically cutting this up. So I had the idea that with a small coconut, I could do like coconut drops or something for them. But it all depends on if they are willing to help me.
Yeah. Baby, show you cut up coconut. You make lines go through it like this.
Yes, baby.
You see me? Bam, bam, bam. You make the line then go through. And then you cut go across. So then cut in a squares like that.
Yeah, I don't like to do that.
Because guess what? You have them in a street here. Yeah, the good thing is when you're lucky you get to it, because the blender you not really like the traditional blender them. If I like the blender them when we grew up with, you have to cube them up small.
When we do younger, somebody have to do it.
Yeah.
But me glad say me not have to do it now because I have my Vitamix blender. Me can just chop it up like this.
Yeah.
And you see the worst part too?
Yeah.
The worst part is that
You just do it like so you're good.
The knife sharp.
Yeah.
The knife sharp, guys. So let me tell you. Tell me the younger, you need to do it like how you might do it. The problem with this is my finger, the thumb, always end up catch on the sharp part of it. Like what you might do, let me show you. You see this part finger there?
Mm-hmm.
The sharp part of it always there on my thumb. So my finger soft. My finger always start hurt me after a while of doing that. So I don't like do it.
Me just sketch it barely. Me not really go down hard on it. But the knife is sharp still. It will cut you. Even if you're very careful.
Yeah, so I'm glad to see him step in because I'm handicapped. So I'm for show me how to do. Thank you, baby, for doing it for me. Thank you very much. Because I'm not so fancy doing this part. Jayden, I think you could do this for me if I ask you to.
Yes.
You sure?
Jayden, how about having 10 fingers then?
And that me I said to myself, to you having 10 fingers then gone when me come. 10 finger missing.
Alright, so you can go back to doing a thing. I'm
You
going
know,
back to
finish
editing.
it.
Alright, yeah, man, let me finish up.
Let me finish.
Let me finish.
That is right. Don't it, guys. Finish it, man. Jayden, I eat, you come for eat.
Hey, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. So while that is going on.
With that black egg.
Coconut sweet, you know.
Coconut nice, man.
Nice, huh?
Especially with a little bit of sugar. Sugar. Your mother used to always give me a piece. But when she cut it up so, she used to always give me a piece with sugar. Nice. Guys, we have our guava that we got at the market as well. I froze it because I don't want to lose the night. So I'm going to freeze it up. I'm going to blend it up today.
The peach.
Yeah, peach.
The peach, yeah. Have a tough seed in it.
So Jayden the maker, he was asking me why the red because I did peel some for him.
Peach.
Jayden the other day and he asked me why the make red.
Them say peel it off and eat it.
I didn't say I must peel the skin.
It's pretty though.
Peach is not very popular in Jamaica.
Yeah, I'm a Jamaican fruit this. Them just, I think this is imported and it only can grow in a cooler parts. You know?
Guys, I finished cook my meat already. Trying to get an early start trying. Right? And it's been like 3 Sundays now. I've been able to do it. Finish cook early. Right?
Nice.
3 Sundays now.
See there? Peach.
Yeah.
So this
Look at
is,
the middle eye, Jayden.
this is how the fruit is, and then when we peel it and take out the seed. Alright?
So look at the seed, Jayden. You're asking me why it's red.
Yeah.
See there,
There
Jayden.
you go.
You're asking me why it's red.
There you go.
See there? You see why it's red?
Alright. Nice man, try it. Try it there. Nice. You like it?
The
Nice.
other day I peel it.
Nice.
One of them be sweet, other one be sour. Kyrie didn't matter.
You get this while ago?
Yeah, see there. Kyrie never did matter if it's sweet or sour, because Kyrie eat lime. So it
Yeah,
don't
we
matter
need
to
to
him.
fight for lime and ball for lime.
Kyrie eats lime, right? I mean, him take it and him lick it. And then when him ready, him bite in it and him squeeze it, him eat it like he eat orange. And him come back and ask, can I have orange please? I say, no baby, it's not orange, it's lime. He say, can I have lime please? When I use lime, I hide it because Kyrie want it.
Alright, that's sample.
Just twist it out.
Try to
come
cut
out.
the seed.
If you twist the
There
seed,
you
it
go.
come out.
Yep. Nice man. Nice. Peach nice. It's good. Yeah, we recommend it. Make sure you say it right.
It's a miss, so that's why Jayden the same no want it, because
Make sure you say it
they
right.
have one piece. And me say one is sweet, one never so sweet. And Jayden not in it.
It's not right. But you try that one and know them like it. Yep. So what I gonna do? But blend up, well not we, but me. Yeah, me, not we, but Cash. So I blend up some of the peach and some of the guava. Yeah. Alright, babe, I'll make it go on the way while I edit the video so you guys can have the video today. Right? So today is Sunday, you're gonna get this vlog on a Sunday.
Yeah.
So this week vlog, may I edit it up so you can get it. You get me? Yeah.
Alright guys. Him finish cut up the coconut, so let's go. Guys, this is the danger of using real coconut. Or, you know, the coconut in its raw state.
You want to hear me behind the camera?
When we don't eat or it, This is what we've got in left. And it's a big coconut, you know, this is what we got now. Because we are cut and we are eat and we are cut and we are eat and we are cut and we are eat.
Coconut, nice. Nice.
Try to do that. I don't want to put like too much in it because we don't want it water down. A lot of water in it. We don't want it water and we don't want it to be too much because I'm gonna cook 2 cups of rice, so you know how the measurement go with that. I'm already have peas in the pot, and peas is moisturizing. I like when you cook just plain rice alone. When you cook peas, you have to be careful how much water you put in it. Right?
Peas is moisturizing, meaning what? Peas add water?
Yeah, it's like extra water always in there. When you have peas in it, and I like when you cook rice straight, just like that. If you're not careful, you will add too much water. Alright, see here.
Yeah, man. Throw in the wrist, son. Throw in the wrist. Yeah.
It really blend it out fine, you know.
Fine.
When me little bit and my mother blend coconut, it never blend out fine like this. Got a mix of go on with itself.
Right. Yeah. Nice. Yup. It look good, rich and pretty and nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. Nice. So it was extra nice. I come fast in a cast pot. Yeah. I wash rice. They want to say them rice and half wash. So they say. But this is starchy. See the water whitey same way.
You must wash them, man.
Guava time.
Guava. I love how the center of this look.
Yep. It's frozen, you know?
Yeah, frozen.
Oh God.
If we know I'm going to use it for juice, I'm not going to juice it now, I like to freeze it. Because sometimes when you put it in the fridge and whatnot, when time comes, some might start to look funny or can't bother with that. We just freeze them.
Kyrie, what you doing there? It's cold, man. It's icy.
But he ate it. Put the whole ice in their mouth. You want some? You eat that?
My big.
I would eat a big boy.
Cold, Kyrie, cold. Cool.
I think this one probably be a little sweetish. Add some carrot to it to kind of add to the flavor, you know, because the peach now really pull much weight. So this is the carrot, guys. which is like the second strain through. It is guava and the carrot mixed together.
With the peach, of course.
With the peach, yeah.
You smell the guava.
Yeah.
Strong.
It's the strongest flavor. And the viscosity of it, that's all guava. But I don't want the seed them to go down in it.
Too much.
Yeah, so I'm going to try if you... This is the last step in my meal preparation, guys. Can't wait for done this. Your curry. It's nice, baby. That's so good. Yeah, see the rice there?
Rice well, Shelly.
Yeah, talk about
Pretty
itself. Have a nice aroma. Yeah. So Jayden hungry. I'm gonna give him some of it, right? Yeah. Guys, it's early. I'm gonna cook early. Yeah, so it's been one of my aims because I have other things that I want to do with my Sunday apart from food. So I have Kyrie get ear for comb, I have my ear for wash and comb. I'm going to do some relaxation for my Sunday too. So it's now really early, it's like 12 o'clock.
12:45.
12:45. So Jayden said I'm hungry, so I'm gonna give him a small amount of it and then him can have him dinner again later. Right? So I'm gonna share some for Jayden. Guys, look here. Kyrie not eat food, you know. But him hungry too, because him don't eat breakfast. I gave him, what did I give him? I gave him potato, I gave him carrot, and I gave him beef. And him eat a piece of the beef, everything gone. Oh my God, Kyrie.
Good night.
Kyrie, I rub him belly. And I lick him mouth. Oh, what can I do this? Eh? You enjoyed it, Kyrie? You enjoyed it? Yeah, chilled.
This is our carrot, guava, peach.
Carrot, guava, peach with ginger
Yeah.
and sugar. Ooh.
Bless you, Kai.
So guys, thank you very much for joining us over here at the Delprat Family channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell. Put your setting on all. Give us a thumbs up for this and every other video.
Yep.
Peace.
Peace out, guys. We out. We out.
Free.
Peace.
Say peace again, Kyrie.
Free.